find that the wheels on your walker don't move like they should, you need to change the bearings. They tend to get stuck like that. That means the bearing's worn out. So here's the wheel, the defective bearing. Let's go ahead and change the bearings on this right side. Do that by stabilizing the wheel and unscrewing the cap. As noted, the cap has a... notice that when I take this apart, this upper bearing came right apart. The lower bearing is intact. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of those two bearings. We will take the axle and I'm going to insert new bearings. These are new bearings that I got off of Amazon. Got 12 of them for $9, and they're the correct size. So they're 8 millimeters by 28 by 12. Now we're going to slip the new bearing on the lower end, and then we're going to slip the sleeve on like this. This is going to insert up inside. Now, in this case, the outside of the bearing was still in there, so we want to make sure to take that out. We bring this up like this and insert that. Now our new bearing is just going to go right on top here like this and slip right down into the housing there. I'm going to just squirt a little lubrication in here. We'll let that run down. I'm going to go ahead and put the cap back on, and we can tighten that down. Like that. Just put a little bit of tightness on it. There we go. Now let's see how this wheel spins. Let's check the other wheel now. It's pretty good. I think I'll go ahead and put 2 new bearings on that side as well. Loosen this up. Off. Take the axle out. Take the bearing off. Put a new bearing here. And then we'll take the upper bearing out like this and insert this one in there. Lubricate it just a little bit. Put the axle and the sleeve back in, like that. We'll tighten it down just a little bit. We're ready to go. Let's see how that spins now. I think that's a little bit smoother. All right. Is that working?
It's really good. It's very smooth now. Just swirl it around.
All right, that's good.
Wonderful.
That was helpful. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell next to the subscribe button and you'll get my future videos. Thanks for watching.